Hey family, what's up? How y'all doing today? I pray each and every one of y'all are doing well. So today I just wanted to come on and do a very quick eyebrow tutorial. So right here you see I just have a spoolie in my hand. I'm just sweeping it across my brows, brushing them in the direction that they grow. Maybelline Eye Studio. See, I have an angle brush. I really like using an angle brush with this to do my brows. And you see me just filling in my brows. I'm just sweeping in hair-like motions to get the look that I desire. Just going to keep doing that until I get the look that I'm going for. See, I have the MAC concealer brush. I'm going to use these two to clean up under my brow to get the look that I'm going for, and just kind of make them look a little more chiseled, a little more neat. And so then I'm just filling in the concealer up under them. I have a stiff makeup brush, and so I'm just going to use this to blend in the concealer up under my brow. In here I like to take the excess concealer and then just go over the outside just a little bit without adding more concealer. Here you see I'm just kind of using whatever concealer is left on the brush, and I'm just brushing across the front of my brow so it can kind of transition just a little bit how your brows really normally are. And then here you see I have the brow gel. I'm just sweeping that across my brows. This really helps your brows to stay in place all day. And as you can see, this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed, and you all have an awesome and blessed day. God bless.